Welcome back, my lovely darlings. Today, new video, we're going to talk about red shoes. It's going to be very specific because I think red shoes can really change your outfit. It's very, you can wear very like a casual outfit, and add red shoes, this little pop of color can really make a huge difference. And you're going to see what I mean by that, because I feel like just a little color down there on the bottom of your legs, and the focus of automatically shift there. Wherever someone sees you, the focus shift over there, because this is very visible color, obviously. So I thought it may be fun to show you some really great outfit with red shoes and show you how much you can really change a very normal outfit. Maybe your favorite outfit that you're a little bit bored with, but you really like it because it's very comfortable. How much you can change it by adding just the red shoes. I think one of the really nice outfits is this one here. It's all white and then you have those red shoes, and it just shows you how red is this kind of color that can shift everything. It's a little bit unusual to maybe put a red shoes. Not everybody even have an own pair of red shoes, but I think this is just something to mix, just make it a little bit more interesting, make it more colorful, playful, because that's what this video really is about. Show you that you can make a very easy way, fun outfit just by adding different color shoes. I think there's something very French, very like a Parisian when you think about this. Jeans, white elegant shirt, and then a red shoes. For me, straight away, it just screams Paris. I don't know. It's just straight away for me. It's this kind of French lady look, and it's really, really fantastic. Like this outfit here, the lady, she has like a nice elegant shoes. They are flat, and it just shows you that you can still look very, very chic even wearing flat shoes. Overall, the outfit is fantastic, very comfortable, jeans, white shirt, very, very lovely. And the red shoes just give this kind of fun element to it. It's just very, very Parisian look for me. They can be high heels, they can be flat shoes, they can be block shoes, whatever it is that you prefer, whatever it is that you find really comfortable, because I think this is also about the comfort. This look is about comfort, about fun, but you don't really want to wear red shoes, high heels, if you not really find them comfortable, if you don't really know how to wear them, and if you're just going to struggle. This is not the point of that. The point is to find your own height. The point is to find whatever suits you. I recently wore my block boots, like ankle boots that are this high of the block, and I struggled. Honestly, I just struggled so much. I just can't wear any heel really anymore. Like a block, I struggle already. So how I'm going to feel about some kind of stiletto. It's just I completely cut myself from uncomfortable clothes, uncomfortable shoes. That's just not the stage of my life when I want to do that. I am over it, and I just want to be really comfy whenever I go somewhere, pick up my kid from school, whenever I go to shop, I need to quickly run somewhere. I am most of the time on high speed when it comes to stuff I do. I need to fit a lot into my day as well, so the heels, even like a small heel block, is just not working for me anymore. So it is important. Sometimes it comes with time, how you grow with your life, how you develop, whatever happens in your life, if you have a family, if you're not. There will be a lot of factors in your life as well that you're going to decide what is the perfect heel for you. If it's a flat, if it's a block, whatever it is that you find the best for you. It's very personal. Going back into this French look that I said, I want to talk about a little bit like jeans, any t-shirt or blouse. I think, and maybe adding a blazer as well, and adding a red shoes. That's where you're going to create this kind of dimension for your outfit, that it's going to be different, that you're going to be feeling different about it as well, because sometimes when we wear things, we're not necessarily going to see them, because obviously we're wearing them. Maybe if it's a coat, you don't necessarily all the time like see yourself from whole perspective, obviously, only if you look at the mirror. But when you walk somewhere and you see your red shoes, that's where this little factor is going to make a difference, because you're obviously going to notice them. So it's as well for you to have this kind of feeling of I do that for myself. I want to feel that the clothes I'm wearing works for me, and I want them to represent who I am, you know. And if you're looking for this kind of, as I'm saying, if you want to upgrade your like a casual outfit that you have every single maybe that you really love, but you're feeling a little bit bored with it, then just red shoes is really an answer here. It's a lady, she's wearing a red, like a very strong red leather shoes, back in the same kind of color and the same kind of material as well. Then you have a leather skirt, so it's keeping this kind of leather theme vibe, really like that. And then more casual top, but I still think this is a really great outfit like for a date, for a meeting with friends, you know, because you obviously, she is showing a little bit legs, which is gives you this kind of a little bit more sexy feel, but everything is really lovely. It's not that it's vulgar, it's not too sexy, it's balanced really nice with the blouse as well. So I think just pop off the color of the back and the red and lipstick as well, that you're going to look more confident. And I think it's just really nice to look a little bit different with not a lot of effort, you know. So it's just choosing basically the shoes that suits you, and a bag as well in the same color. It's a fantastic option. What I would say about the red shoes is that there's one thing that I would avoid personally. When you're wearing everything black and then you're adding red shoes. I think when you wear everything black, like completely from top to the bottom, then you giving yourself this kind of dark vibe. You're going to give yourself already this kind of like a everything is very visible, because the black color is very visible as well. Even though a lot of people wear it, adding red shoes for me personally doesn't work. It's just like conflict between black and red. It's a little bit different if you, let's say, wear a black skirt, you're going to show your legs, and then you wear red shoes. There is this break between black skirt and red shoes by just showing your legs. So that's your skin color, you know, you're adding this color of your skin as well. But when everything is black and then you're adding the red shoes, for me, just this doesn't work. It's just too much. That's the only really situation, I would say, when I wouldn't recommend that. If you go for all black, you can obviously wear some other contrast colors with black, but I just feel like red is such a strong color, and it's fighting, you know, here. That red and black is just, for me personally, doesn't work. As I'm saying, you know, you might find it different. Let me know in the comments what do you think about that combination. But I think this is the only really situation, you know. As I'm saying, you can wear even like a shorter trousers, 3/4, and then have your skin or maybe some kind of fun socks or something like this, and then make red shoes still work. But when everything is black, no. Another thing, if you consider to wear everything red, then it's not going to, your shoes are not going to be visible as well. If you're going to have a red, I don't know, jacket or red dress and a red coat on top of that, then people are going to notice your shoes as the last thing. They're just going to notice that they match to the rest of the outfit, but they're not going to focus on that particular element. You know, it's still really lovely, but it's not the same kind of effect if you just want to add the red shoes and change the outfit, rather than putting everything red, and that's just going to, you know, the shoe's going to disappear in all of that. So keep that in mind as well. If you're thinking about adding extra elements of red, maybe it's better to go with like a nice cardigan or nice top in a red color and red shoes, because of the distance of those two parts of the body. They're still going to be visible, and they're going to complement each other. But everything red is just going to take off from the shoes. So it depends what you're really looking for, you know. It's still lovely to wear everything red or everything monochrome. I, by the way, made a video about monochrome, so if you didn't see that one, jump over there. But in this particular video, I'm just focusing on adding extra element of red rather than going all red, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit random, but I like to talk about particular elements of the outfit as well, because that gives us a little bit more sense of, oh, do I like that? Do I not like that? Would I wear that? Maybe I already have a red shoes and I never thought about this, you know? So it's things that you can shop from your wardrobe, things that you can obviously buy new if you want to. But just something a little bit more playful rather than if you would go for your maybe black shoes normally. Keep that in mind, that there are other options as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm trying to upload as many videos as I can really now. I'm in really good headspace as well to do it. So I hope you're going to stick around and see the other one as well.